Hey guys, welcome back. And yes, this time I became a bit late in uploading the video, but while I let's start the solid part, which is the third part of our Anubis hyperrealism. Starting it, you can see the small borders which I am doing right now. I have just taken an 8B shade and given at the corners. Then, with the help of a dirty blender, we can say dirty blender only because it is dirty. When just blender with the help of the blender, we are just blending it to create a contrasting effect, then giving a sharp line of the border of 8B pencil again. At some places I have left white to or used eraser to make that part white because to create that lightning effect. Similarly, we will do with all the other parts also. Now after that, the leftover part, I have taken a 4B shade, a 4B light shade, and I will be applying the same all over. But before that, I will be blending them. I will just do a normal blend, then I will add the effects to it. After blending, you can notice at the borders or the corners, I have been drawing the 8B. I've been drawing giving the shade with the 8B so as to create that contrast, so as to achieve that perfection, so that it looks real. As in the other side, you can see. Then I have been making the cracks for the same. Now I'll shade. Now similarly applying the designs on the other side. Okay, the we can say the mostly the solid part we have drawn with the 8B pencil. By the way, you will be surprised from the outcome, so hit the subscribe button. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and share it as much as possible. Comment. Now this is how the final result looks like. Comment your opinion.